Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how you can change a page URL on Wix, and it will be a quick simple tutorial. Without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, this is our website. Let's assume this one is our website, so I'm going to click this one, and I think there is a page. We have a couple of pages, as you can see it. So I just want to do the work in here, so how I can change the URL over that place. So let's click to this one, select an edit site, just click over here and it will redirect me to this page. So I'm going to click this edit site option and it will be landed me onto the editing panel where I can easily edit my pages and create pages or add elements, whatever I want to do customize with my things. So here we just need to be keep patience for the complete the process. Here you can see we are getting a message that is preparing the page and loading your pages, so let's wait a bit. So here actually you can see our page has been loaded. So I am going to click to the pages and menus, and here you can see we have this one like home, portfolio, about, contact, blog. So I just want to change the URL, so that for reason I will click over here and then I will select this one SEO. Just click over here and this SEO basics panel, you will get the URL flag. So if you want to change it, like let's make it by my name so I can identify it perfectly, my him, and let's click to the save, and it already been saved. So I will come back to this one and click to the publish. Once I click over here publish, then I will click to the view site option, and if I click to the portfolio, let's refresh it hard, and here you can see it already been removed. So let's come back to this site again, let's refresh it and just click to the portfolio, and now eventually you can see in here that our URL has been changed. So in this way you can easily change your URL. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was really easy and simple for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an exciting topic.